Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day to all of you. Today I want to present our product with a title Light Water Rocket Launcher. This product produced by Dr. Nuzaimah binti Mustafa, technologist Dr. Nofariza binti Abdul Wahab, Dr. Khairun bin Hamzah, technologist Muhammad Idaim Fahmi bin Rosli, and last but not least is Muhammad Shafiq Amir bin Samsudin. All of us are from University Technical Malaysia Melaka, UTM. Outlines of my presentation today consist of 5 items, which is introduction, objective, impact of innovation, launcher assembly part, last but not least is product testing. For the introductions, usually water rocket launcher is consists of 3 main parts, which is air supply, the transition between air supply to the launcher, and last but not least is launcher itself. The idea of this innovation come out from the discussion of our teams with one of primary school teachers. They need to design and develop of water rocket launcher. In order to develop this water rocket launcher, we need some study, and then they want this product in order to apply in the syllabus of science for standard 4 at school. Objective of this project is to design a new light water rocket launcher, to develop a new light water rocket launcher using selective laser sintering machine, and last, to test functionality prototype of light water rocket launcher. Impact of innovations. The impact of innovations for this light water rocket launcher are: this product is light in terms of weight, low in terms of costing, and then suitable for the mass production. Last but not least is all primary school in Malaysia need this product in order to blend with their syllabus at school. Launcher assembly parts. For the launcher assembly parts, consists from 3 main parts. The first one is assembly part. The second one is connector part, and then the last one is support part. For the assembly part is involved in terms of base assembly, inner ring assembly, and bottle nozzle assembly. For the connector parts, it is involved in terms of nozzle connector, water connector, and pressure connector. For the support part, it is involved in terms of locking arms and water width. By the combinations all these parts, we can produce a light water rocket launcher. For the last sections of the presentation is product testing. By applying all the concept of water rocket launcher, which is involved in terms of 3 main components, which is air supply, transition from air supply to the launcher, and the launcher itself, then we can see that our product is successful to launch the water rocket. Thank you. That's all.